In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recall an email in MSN Outlook, and more importantly, what you can do instead if you're using Outlook.com. This is a common question because once you hit send, it's natural to want that message back, especially if you spotted a typo, forgot an attachment, or sent it to the wrong person. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. First, let's clear up something important. If you're using Outlook.com, also known as MSN Outlook, there is no true recall email feature like you may see in the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook. The classic recall option only works in Microsoft Outlook Desktop, and even then, it usually requires Exchange accounts in specific conditions. So if you're on Outlook.com, the best alternative is to use Undo Send. Undo Send works like a short email recall window, giving you a few seconds after sending to cancel the message before it actually goes out. To turn it on, open Outlook.com in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the Settings icon in the top right corner and click it. In the Settings panel, go to Mail, then select Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook.com keeps the sending and writing options for your email account. Scroll down until you find the Undo Send setting. Here, you'll see a delay option that lets you choose how long Outlook waits before actually sending your email. Set this delay to 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how much time you want to review your message after clicking send. A longer delay gives you a little more breathing room, but keep in mind it's still only a short window, so the email is not being recalled after it's sent permanently. It's simply being held briefly before delivery. Once you've selected your preferred delay, click Save to apply the change. Now, the next time you send an email from Outlook.com, you'll see an Undo option appear for a few seconds after sending. If you notice a mistake right away, click Undo immediately, and the email will stop before it leaves your outbox. This is the closest thing to recalling an email in MSN Outlook Online. If you were hoping for a full recall after the message has already been delivered, unfortunately, Outlook.com does not support that. So the best habit is to enable Undo Send right away and use it as your safety net. Also, if you frequently send important emails, take a second before hitting send to double-check the recipient, subject line, attachments, and message content. That small habit can save you from needing a recall in the first place. So to recap, Outlook.com does not have a true recall email feature, but you can enable Undo Send to create a short delay and stop messages before they go out. It's quick, easy, and very useful for avoiding email mistakes. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.